Hi guys, I'm here outside YouTube channel. This is my friend, I guess, Jaden. And this is my sister. Hi. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you the worstest boyfriend I had. And his name, and it was this year. And his name was One Angel. So basically what he did to me is use me. Well, yeah, he did use me. He liked this. I told him, if you like a girl, then you can go run with someone else, because a boy who likes a girl, if he likes a girl, then he can go on with her, but not with me, because that's just that isn't good for me. Okay, I just got out of school. We just got out of the bus. I'm not homeschooled, but I wouldn't say I was lucky, because I want to be homeschooled, because there are all kinds of jerks and all kinds of drama. Look at what he's doing. He's like, I'll tell you something funny. He gave me gum at the bus, and he got in trouble for my teacher, Miss Fast.
Yeah, sure you I was like, if you see you again, and you better go to the office. I'm like, for chewing gum? And then she said, spit it out. I said, swallow.
Okay, I'm giving a shout out to Heaven. No, for someone who's in heaven. His name is Mr. Miller. Today was his funeral. Donovan Miller. His funeral was yesterday, and this is a sad story. Bye. Say bye. Whatever. He was gonna propose for his girlfriend and give him a ring. So everyone knows that now. And his funeral was today. I think he's gonna get buried today. I don't know. But my friend came out crying. She was so sad. So, okay. And this is now it's time for the question of the day. Let's see, what's the question of the day?
The question of the day is that who's your favorite friend?
Who is your favorite friend? So, I'll put it on the description box below. So you guys can comment down below. My favorite friend is Aria and Nayeli, two best friends. Like, they're my best friends. And Maria is the one. She's close to be my best. She's close to be my best friend, but not. Okay. Oh, this is where I dropped my freaking phone. That big pond. It looks like a pond, but it's really deep. Yeah, it is. It's steep. It's steep. Like, if you put your sandal in there, it will. If you put your feet in there with a sandal on, here's another one. Your sandal will stay. And I got in trouble for getting my sandal dirty because they were new. So, yeah. Okay, so what's your favorite friend?
My favorite friend is Amira, she's my neighbor.
Amira's her neighbor. That's where she lives with that blue car. And we live right there next to her, that ugly trailer that has white and brown. Can you go get the keys with her, please? Oh, I need to pee. Sorry, guys. Personal. I'm just kidding. Please comment, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Yeah, leave a comment down below of who is your favorite friend. Which is BFF, for best friends forever. That's what basically I'm asking you to do. Sorry, my sister's crack. And there. I will leave the question in the description box. Remember, it is who is your favorite friend? Okay. So I'll see you in a bit when I get home. Actually, I got home, but I still haven't gone inside because I have to wait for my sister. Look at her. You can see her. Okay, whatever. So, comment, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay? Bye. Oh, and my next video, it's gonna be today, but like probably in 3 hours. I don't know. And it will be of, I don't know what it would be, but I have a feeling it's gonna be something about something cool. Okay? Remember, comment, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below about who's your best friend. Thank you, guys.